it's Ed again from Wetscape Royal Irrigation. I'd like to talk to you about the installation process that we provide when we come to your home to install a landscape lighting system. Our experienced team uses the least invasive process possible to leave your property looking just the way it did before we started this system installation for you. We use a vibratory plow to install wiring, leaving just a seam. We'll also hand trench and bury our cables exactly where we know them in the event there's ever an issue down the road. Our systems are expandable, so if you'd like to only embark on a small part of the project now, we can add on to the system later. Again, we have a foreman on your job who is leading a team of professionals building your job to last you for years and years, enhancing the beauty, safety, and security of your home. There'll be one more video tomorrow where we discuss the price of your job.